Remakeup the Ajui Kam Diabobing. Ukrul Autonomous District Council Schools Academic Calendar Matada Zatna Kawai Ranyu Kwika Hira, ADC Schools Lake Kagashunga Gatam Gashua like Kawai Karin Sahira. Kachai, Sirarakongwe, Kashak Kachai, Odurzangna, many fresh processed food products, Chief Minister and Birinzingna launch Sami Hira. Ex-MLA Hobinson Ashimreli, Manipur BJP, Vice President Kapangsang Hira. Like Hayangator, added the Tangkhul Express Ripal, Ayahclear crew in a Pamidale, Baubing my sa in Anganamsa. Ukrul Autonomous District Council with Schools, Academic Calendar Matadazat Nakwai, Tangkhul Orientation Program Rungmi Hira, Ranye DRD Hall Mini Secretary Complex Ukrule Ayahkwikaya. ADC CEO David Kashungnao Nakahang, Lansirin Kangazan Chimkru in Nawara, Teraka, Kuku Shorgar, Washim Lidam Clay Maningla upon Malaymana, Kala Saikura Wivang Quality Education Mikawai Kasahi, Ukrul ADC Wivang, Kangasung Kahagang Sahira, Ajui Academic Calendar Hili Headmasters, Kala Jishutme Saikura, Ijajawi Postingly, Bamplungra, China Atumwi Mission Nada CEO Janahanga. Teacher substitution Maramli CEO Jinagahang, Atumwi Dungli Kangahan Sakawai Ana ADZ CEO Sada Pangshap Malaymana, Kal School Functioning Lake Kashoy Layaka, Headmaster Lee Kangahan Sara, Kala SMDC na Mi Gatayli Otngarod, Mi Cameron, Makatomrano, the CEO Jinahang Sanga. Ukrul Deputy Commissioner Gangwo Zuring Lanakahang, Jishut Megasahia, Kayashi Makeup Gaji Odbam Akangasai, Kala Hinao Shinabing Likasem Otnurut Nagaji, Jishut Mena Papda the Otsarano Gaja, Rakaraya Rini Nao Shinabing China, Bagrungasagi Gajina, the Zuring Lana Hangsanga. ADC Ukrul Caretaker Chairman Mark Litingna. Kamadwili, ADC Ukrulwe, worship psychorally, Gagushunga Gadam Gushimi Kawaika Satsanga, Ijijawi Otngur, Matalaga in a Sakavaika Bosaya. Tangkhul Gadam Nalong President Ramachan Kishina Gahang, Kurgajida worship Matamai Kawaika Sali Atumna Gadom Lagra, District Hiwi Education System Shohira, Kala Hina Itumwe Makeup Gaji Kangasunga Sai, Kala Koka Sada Itumna Society Semgali Baya Gachi Hanga. ADC Ukrul Administration Na Yakshok Gahai Kangaran Likadomra the Gatam Nalong, Katana China. Hanga. Tangkhul Shinalong Vice President Sojan P. Mashang Verna Lakasatsangda, Headmasters, Teachers, Kala Staff, Pingna Ningachang Aina Otngarut Sakawai Gazum Sanga. Ukrul ADC School Calendar Orientation Program Chile, Mi Shagatum Shikavat Zanga. Worshim Wikashok Gazang Matada Yang Sankawai, AI Avavuna Concerned DI Lee Report Sara, Atumna Tangajida Worshim Avavali Video Goal Salaga, GDI with Mangali, Screenshot Kwehera. AI Saikurana Ijijawi circles we worship Lake Kajang Kani we alongli Akashiva Palungra, Inspectorate staff we meeting La Kajang Kani Gajida CEO Zanglaga Pamra Chihira. Gajai Aina Sirarakong we Kashai Gashak Odur Zangda Aya many fresh Gaho processed food products brand Chief Minister and Birenzing the launch Sami Hira. Gashak Kashai brand Hapok Haiji Shorgari scheme value chain marketing of quality local horticulture products na brand building Gagadom Milaga Kasana. Launch Kasaranye Darbar Hall Chief Minister's Secretary Lead Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Nakwigamia. Chief Minister and Birenzing Nakahang, Manipur Li Kajot Kajang Adam Gasalala, Regasang Wibang, Muiva Plungra, Gahab Kyakara Salala Developmental Ot Mangasambay Manada Biren Hanga. Gazipai Kwayama Kalena Maram Sada, Hanshirai Loker, Shom Shirin Aremang, Nasaga High Swidang Sak Palungra, Gachihanga State Dishorgana, Cold Storage Semhira the CM Nahanga. Horticulture Department Vocal for Local Gala, Forest Department Thrift Kalewikan Kanahangda, Hikata Missions Aina Scheme Azing Shorgana, SHE Skala Mibingli, Ngajon Midalaichi. Manipur with products Shakasa Packaging, Batamai Kahailila, CM na. Maya Kangai Pongshokda Ara Manipur with local products Ayangaleli Jihoshok the Legacy Hanga. Startup One Family One Livelihood Hikatahi Entrepreneurs SHE Bingli Gatomi Kawai Laidale Stay na Entrepreneurs Bingli Gajon Gabai Apong Saikura in Angajonra the CM Nahangsanga. Ranye Jelly Products launch Saga Haiji Gajai Lemon Tea. Dehydrated pineapple, Sirarikong flakes, Sirarikong powder, Sirarikong whole dry cake, lotus tea, lotus incense tea, tumbo chips, tumbo seasoning hikata hitzanga. Ex-MLA candidate Hopkinson Shimrele Manipur wi BJP Vice President Kapang Sanghaira. Bao hi Hopkinson Mashana Pongshokta Ali V being a pum, Kamili Sokami enduranceingly Ningashi medale. President A. Sharda Tevina Katan alongli Manipur Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party Shimkur members Binglila Hopkinson and Ningashi Pongshoga. Party alongli Lumlag and a welcome Sakwi Kamiwang, Hopkinson party leaders and Nimble's Vice President, L. Diben General Secretary, Brahmananda Meidi, General Secretary, Vikram Secretary Atumlila Ningashi Mihaira. Tangkhul Nagalong Katana Lasagasa Hopkinson Shimrena, BJP Manipur Vice President Gapam appointment Sampangahai, Kapishokta Kahang, China Awivang Hagla Gahai Paradia Chanada Party, Gata Organization Lizang Kawai, Baksada, Masam Gapang opportunity Gala privilege Nasaya, Party Li Otram Kawai Apong, Kamiwang BJP National President JB Nadali Ningshia Gajila Hangsanga. State Manipur Party Jiri Sang Haksang Kawai Sagapai Katong Samilagra the Hopkinson Shimrena Hangsanga. Tangkhul Leli Nisha Lay Masabai Lak Mara the GPRN Ong Tangkhul region at Saklaga na Hangmatin Gahaiji, Itumna Gasha Gala Jui, Paigar Gakui, Itumna, Tay Shababam Hira. Nisha Gatingli Rinda Ong Tangkhul region li Bobilui Shimit. Mikawai Otnurud Ayala Hopok Hira. Twiga High Gajangli WTR CSOs, Church Gala Yud Bingna, to the Quiga High Atishuda, Ayakamasom Gala Sinakate and the Abamati Pangali Bobilui Shimit Mikawai Drive for Hira. Atum the Union Baptist Church Ukrulika Quilaga on Uruchuivang, WTR, CSOs, Church Kala Yud Ming a Yerda, Zatnarok Hira. WTR COO W Sayai Nakahang, Otnaruti Ariari Kupsangi Gaji Maningmana, Nishali Kangasung Rai Hi Kasang Davara, Ka Sang Davala, Rai Hi Kayu, Masamhang Laka, anything that Matahai Marada, W Sayana Hanga. Imphal Ring Road Semgida Kale with sanction Mami Kawai World Kugizo Intellectual Council na Asian Development Bank li Bohira. Itum the tay by 52 km Shukagaga Imphal Ring Road project ki ADB na Ngajon Midaluba 1,760 crore man aina sem gigajina. Maram Hiwibang Council Jina ADB li Kabivada, majority Kugizoli, Shimit Mikawai, radicalized made in Albing state Chorgana, sponsors Sadalekachi, Penhira. Ajagum Maywe Aina made in Kugizoli, Pongshar Aina Rice Sada, state with community Saigurali Saza the Lakachila, Council Jina Hangsanga. World Gugizo Intellectual Council Jina Hitadala Kapisanga. World Bank na sanctioned Samiga High first installment loba $57.50 million Manipur na Shichin Wihira. Luba Je armory vehicles could lie lokawai Shichin Vida Bank the next installment come how the council Jinahanga. Jidhar Sada ethnic road Kamarat chok the Kalehi Tater in following road Semkawai Fund Ji sanction Masalogaji state Chorgar Hina communal made centric Chorgar Sadu the Fund Chi Magashui state militias Arambai Tangkhul Mede Linbu Galapant Valley base Mede insurgency groups Bingli Mivahora the council Jinahanga. Itum the tay by WZIC Hila Shorgari Mikandi Unlawful Organization Akana Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 Sanction 3 as in the World Kugizo Intellectual Council Hi Unlawful Organization Nada Achagum Manipur Cabinet Emergency Gazibli Taga Haina. Tadraha Gajang Council Jina Kugizo Community Li Gagatong Sada Rai Rara Dale Kut Lai Gazipsang Palongrada Rai Ngarer Kawai Gagasat Choga. Council Jina Asian Development Bank with President Lika Bivada Kahang Project Ju Amount Chi Sanction Sada Release Samiaka Asian Development Bank na Communal Kala Radicalized Manipur State Government Likanga John Nada Quira Jihira. Humanitarian ground Kaloguguzo Bingli, Ganmi Kawai sanction Samiga Haiji cancel Samilo the council Jinapoya. Sustainable tourism wivang Semgahai Swadesh Darshan Scheme 2.0 Willi India we apam Hangpangada Shini Resang Kawai Machukai Dale. Kala Prashat Scheme we Azingli apam Bakada Shini Kapanghaira. Maramhi Union Minister of Tourism Chi Kishan Reddy na kapit aina Lok Sabali nga Hangagana. Tourism destinations li infrastructure Matakawai Union Minister of Tourism na pilgrimage, rejuvenation and spiritual heritage augmentation drive the Prasad Kaho scheme gala Swadesh Darshan scheme hi 2014 to 15 di Hapokuya. Brashat scheme himatailag in a pilgrimage in a heritage site abam lirin. Kala Swadesh Darshan scheme hi team-based tourist circuits bingli mathamai khawai kasana. Swadesh Darshan 2.0 hi sustainable kala responsible tourism li rinda kasana. Brashat wivang 46 projects luba 1,631.93 crore man with sanction sami gahaina gala. Swadesh Darshan schemes azingli 76 projects luba 5,294.11 crore sanction samiyachi. Swadesh Darshan scheme FY 2014 to 15 aina halgapok ajurashung dawi Northeast Circuit project tharaluba 816.13 crore with zanga. Swadesh azingli tourism destination development wivang Manipur with Moirang, Bishnupur, Nagaland with Nyulun, Jumu Getima, Meghalaya with Shillong, Sora, Mizoram le Aizawl, Jampai Janga Hiping Hit Zanga. Jurajambuli Semkhai Anglo Kuki War Centenary Kechi Maheshwar Thanawjam Republican Party of India with General Secretary Nashorgali Pohaira. Anglo Kuki War Centenary Gate in Manipur National Highway 02 Churachandpur District Li Kalaina. Gate chi ayin we azingli mangayi manada malinga sakhawai Maheshwar na bodale. Maheshwar na kahang Kuki communities pingli illegal immigrants kala militants na kadom milaga Manipur wi Thorinjan wi mi khawai makhamashung chanbao ngayaw mi dale. Anglo Kuki War Centenary Gate chi kachang khatli mashok lag kachi Riley commemorate kasa gate na da Maheshwar na hanga. Maheshwar na kahang Anglo Kuki War wi historical basis malay managala memorial gate chi sem khawai maya khami kathada mi khala ana public work department li RTI Tasanga. RTI ngahan kaka atishuda Public Works Department na Anglo Kuki Centenary Gate sem khawai khamayama milang manada hangachi. Jithada sada gate sem khawai ji illegal na da shorgana yang sang khawai Maheshwar na hanga. Shogana Kamaya Mazangla State Alongli Abamwe Aming Kangaje Masabai Manada Hangazak Kahai Leilala Jurajambur Wagwi Kerman Office Kaiko Lamga Dangachilaga Zapokhira Jidale Manipur Districts Subdivisions Abam Institutions Addresses Hikatatahi State Kerman Wikamaya Mukwila Masabai Mana Jurajambur Police Station the Zatkasaji Lamga Police Station the Google Maps de Jiteya Jidale Itumna Teibai State Kerman website Atishuda Jurajambur Aming Maharaja Juranpur Singh with Aina Kapok Nachi. Reader Manipur South District of the Saiji. Kalaji July 15, 1983 Revenue Department we order Atishura Jurajambur District Poga. Gugizo Gajungbam Jurajambur hi Aminga Cheda Lamga Aina Zat Kawai Katom Kasakasat Layachi. Itum the Paningong by Ajagum Chun Adam Lila Beer Tigan Trajit International Airport Lamga Airport the Air India flight tickets li Prinsakasa ena Kongazar Shokhaira Jitharan MLA RK Imona Civil Aviation Minister Juyodia Didia Sindiali investigate Takwai Povai Maram Jitermi the Prin Kasali Yon Gahaina the Air India Nang Hangai Kalju investigation report Mikashok Mashamana Ajagom Rod Kamara Adam Li protesters Pina Jurajambur Medical College li Lamga Medical College the Aminga J Kawaila Sai Postal address li Lamga District Sanglaga Chili parcel delivery Masami Managachiwang Jurajambur District we Mina India Post li complaint Kasala Shoga India Post na complaint Chili Ngahangada ex-li postada Lamga with destination pin code Mangavamana de Ngahankai. Jurajambur Police Station J Google Map li Lamga Police Station li Gazang Mang Maningla District Transport Office, Electricity Office, Mini Secretariat, STO Office, District Veterinary Office, Psychology, Lamga Aina Sangdaleji. Banks kala financial institutions bingwa Jurajambur aina zapapa chidale Bao hi IFP we na kakwina Ara itumna gachishat akha khaninga nangramsa Tangkhul naga longwi kumbai longshim gazip langchin sahira Tianela longshim khanghot atishuda kumbai longshim gazip hi ajui tarik magada gatumthang pamra Tianel longshim minganin bingna agenda sangkhangai layakha ajui tarik tarawe alungli Assembly Affairs we Office Arli misang baira Reader Ngason Haigasa TNL President David K. Shimrewi resignation maramla kumbai longshim kasip chili ngazekra chidale. Longshim thang minganin kachivana longshim sari gala identity card ina ngasoda atam chala gaina rajang mikhawai khanghot sahira. Tangkhul naga long we kumbai longshim kasip abam TNL Assembly Hall, Mingjan Ngator Bung Tarali Hapoglaga, Session Bung Tarada, Akhahor Zakli Hapogra. Ukrul Pungredangli Khalay Ukrul Central School with admission Adam Gachang Giju order, Ningasangatam now Ava Pingli Mingjan Sakhavai, Gagatong Sadale. Worshim Jili Mingjan Sakhavai, Ajuit Tarik Chikona, Kanawa Zemikshong Sara, Jithada Sada, Ajagum Gagasaping, La Ajugum Gatam now Gatar Sada Gagi Gachiping, Psychoran admission Gatakwe along Samilo Dang Hotale. Ukrul Central School with Principal Robert Maydena Pau Kamili Kahang, Worshim Jili Ajugum with total admission he 1,261 Kahira. Ukrul Central School Lijishut made teaching galon non-teaching staff Hangmati Gada Leda Hanga. Latluida Ajui Kam Dai Baubi. Ukrul Autonomous District Council Schools Academic Calendar Matada Zatna Kawai Ranya Kwika Hira, Edisi Schools Lake Kagashunga Gatam Gashua like Kawai Karin Sahira. Gachai, Sirarukungwe, Gashak Gachai, Ojurzangna, many fresh processed food products, Chief Minister and Birinzingna launch Sami Hira. Ex-MLA Hobinson Ashimreli, Manipur BJP, Vice President Kapangsang Hira. Ajui Pau healing a Janghira Pau and Ayahclear, Tom Psychorally ring a Pazimik Chung Saserino.